Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make an exciting flash powder out of barium chlorate and powdered aluminum. Check this out.
For this experiment, we'll use a stand, a ceramic crucible, barium chlorate as the oxidizer, and powdered aluminum as the fuel. Begin by measuring out 1 gram of barium chlorate. Next, measure 1 gram of 100 mesh powdered aluminum. Now you're ready to add your barium chlorate to your crucible. And next, add your 100 mesh powdered aluminum. Make sure that you don't grind these together with a pestle as they're sensitive to shock. Instead, just use the edge of your spatula and cut the crystals so that they're even. For safety, we'll deflagrate our flash powder over a flame retentive blanket behind a blast shield. Here's the balanced equation for this amazing combustion reaction. We start with the reactants barium chlorate and aluminum. We have 1 mole of barium chlorate, that's the BaCl2+6AIO, and we have 6 moles of powdered aluminum, that's the 6Al. When those are carefully mixed together and activation energy is provided, we get the products barium chloride and aluminum oxide. We have 1 mole of barium chloride, that's the BaCl2, and 6 moles of aluminum oxide, that's the 6ALO, in this awesome combustion reaction.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.